Hey, Sistagirl here with a quick walkthrough for the line dance Dangerous. There's a lot of variations out there. You can check them all out. I'm going to show you the basic steps modified in a very easy way so that anybody can get the dance. I'm going to give you a side view. That way my camera will stay focused on because it's automatic. All right? So, starting with the right, first 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Each foot has a movement on each count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Try the back view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next 8 count. Starting on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Modify. Another way you'll see it is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double twist, single twist, it doesn't matter. It'll still keep you in the dance. All right? Get my camera centered again. Back view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whichever you prefer is fine. All right. Now, after you do that, side view, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Just sway to the right, sway to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is where it gets sexy because they do a whole lot of winding, grinding, and everything else. All right. Then, after you do the sway, okay, so I'll give you a front view. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, tap, tap. 7, right goes back, 8. Okay? So, side view. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap on the left, right goes back. Okay? And you're going to use your right to finish out the move. The move, the dance, finishes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double row. Okay? Let's put that all together. Hopefully my camera will stay focused on you. Back view. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole Dangerous line dance. Now I'll give you a demo with the music, a quick peek with the music.